Hey Beauty Brigade! Welcome back to my channel. Before we jump in, I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are absolutely beautiful just as you are. This video is going to be a chit-chatty, get ready with me. I just want to talk to you about some things. Try out this Black Magic palette. Again, I've only used it once, but I really like the color scheme, even though the colors are a little bit darker than I'm used to. But I'm going to show you how I got this look. I think it's cute, yeah. And also, I just want to thank you guys for 80 subscribers. That's amazing, and you guys are awesome. So yes, that's what this video is going to be. Get ready with me. It's going to be great. We're going to look cute, and that's what it is. Cool. If you like this video, if you like Get Ready With Me's, Get Ready With Me's, Get Ready With Eyes. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. And let's jump in to the video. Oh, my skin is not my friend today. So, I'm gonna start with my primer, which is my Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance in Rose Gold. As you all know, I've been using this for quite a while now. So, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know this. Speaking of my channel, I got 80 subscribers. You guys, I'm so jazzed about that. Literally, that's the coolest thing. Like, I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy, because this whole channel has just been an amazing experience. Honestly, it's been great. Now I'm taking my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the color 350, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Don't get me wrong, like, it's definitely been difficult, like, it's been hard, especially starting from, you know, zero. But I have just been really enjoying the ride, you know, like logging on every day and seeing that I got a comment, or, you know, seeing that somebody else subscribed to me or followed me on Twitter. Like, it's been so much fun. Now I am taking some concealer. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal, and I'm just going to take a dollop of that, just a dollop, and I'm going to take my Pro Filter foundation and do a pump of that. I'm going to mix those two together to create a lighter shade, and use that under my eyes as concealer. Yeah, so literally I've just been having so much fun. So much fun making videos and editing videos and uploading videos. Like, it's been such a cool experience. And then collaborating with other YouTubers, that's probably my favorite part. Like, I love it. I've done 3 collaborations already, and it's just so much fun getting to connect with people who might not even live in the same country as me. Like, first of all, let's talk about it. And it's just like, it's a great way to meet people, like, in general. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been hard. Like, I'm not gonna say like it's been a walk in the park or anything like that, because it totally hasn't, especially since I upload every day, or I attempt to upload every day. Sometimes, you know, life happens and I'm unable to get a video up, and it's hard to not beat myself up about it, but at the same time I try to make up for it, you know? So I think that's probably the hardest part, like just getting over myself and being my own worst critic. Like that's literally the hardest part. And then like not getting down on myself for like not having a certain amount of views or a certain amount of subscribers, because that's hard too, especially when you're first starting out and people are getting millions and millions of views and you've got 4. But I'm just trying to enjoy the ride. Literally, like, just having fun with this whole thing. And I totally encourage you that, like, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Because there's enough room on YouTube for everyone. Like, I don't believe there's a monopoly on success. Like, oh, there's 100, you know, beauty gurus on YouTube. No room for me. No. Because no one's videos are going to be exactly like mine, just like none of my videos are going to be exactly like someone else's, or they shouldn't be. So now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set under my eyes first, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face. On another note, I got a really awesome parking spot at work today, and it literally made me so happy. Like, it made my entire day coming out of the office and seeing that spot and then getting into my car and moving into that spot. It was so satisfying because it's literally my dream spot because it's right in front of the door that I come out of when I leave. So like all I have to do is come out of work and just hop in my car because it's right there. And I don't usually get it because everyone wants that spot. So the fact that I got it made me very happy. And that's important, like finding something every day, even if it's small, finding something every day to be happy about. Sometimes that can be really hard, finding something to be happy about, because you think like, oh, you know, my life sucks. But really? I don't think anybody's life sucks, you know, completely. It might have sucky parts. Everybody's life has sucky parts. Even Kim Kardashian has parts of her life that she probably doesn't like very much. But for the most part, her life is pretty cool. I think, from an outsider's perspective. But literally, even if it's just the fact that, you know, you're alive and you woke up this morning, that's something to be happy about. Hey. But yes, actually, my my work day was pretty good too. Like normally when I'm at work, I want to stick needles in my eyes. But today actually was not that bad. Yeah. I had a meeting that was slightly bothersome, but other than that, the day was good. So I have started planning again. I used to be a really big planner. Like I had a bullet journal, I had a planner. I was really big on planning. And I had my life somewhat together when I was planning like that. And then for some reason I stopped. I stopped planning. I stopped bullet journaling. I basically stopped doing everything. I think I went through a depression, like a mini depression. And I just stopped. I stopped doing a lot of things, and planning was one of them. So yesterday actually, I went out and I bought a whole new planner. I bought a new journal, I bought a new planner, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this because I remember just being so happy and so put together during that time that I was, you know, planning pretty religiously. And I was like, you know what? I want to get back to that. I want to get back to being, you know, happy and put together, and planning really did that for me. So I did that yesterday. I went to Michael's. I bought a planner. Let me show you actually. Oh, where is it? Oh crap. Did I lose it already? Oh, no. I found it. So, oh, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. So this is my planner. It's black and gold and I love it. This is my planner with my inserts and everything. And this is my journal. So I write in both of these every day, or have been for the last, 24 hours since I got it yesterday. And I feel so much better. Like I feel really, really good. And if you want to see a planner video and stuff, let me know in the comments, because I can totally make a planner / journal / planning routine video for you all. Let me know if you want to see that. Yeah. Cool. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my god, it's so warm. I've also started block planning my schedule, which is basically when you plan out your schedule in blocks of time instead of like hour by hour. So I started doing that, which I also enjoy a lot. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know. So now I'm going to take my Life's a Drag palette and do my eyebrows. You guys know I just fill it in with Mug, which is the brown shadow in the palette. So in regards to like my fitness and stuff, I haven't worked out in 4 or 5 days, I think. Just because I kind of fell off the wagon last week, and then I don't know, I just haven't had, motivation. Well, I guess motivation would be the word. I just haven't felt the drive, and so I did not meet my fitness goals for the last week, which kind of made me feel a little discouraged, but I know why I didn't. So I know that if I start working out again, then I will reach my goals. But it's just, I've been in a rut. That's what it is. I've been in a rut for the past like few days when it came to like my workouts and things like that. But I think I'm coming out of it. So I'm going to work out today. I'm also uploading a workout video today for you all because it's Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see how I feel like during my workout and after my workout, because maybe I need a change, maybe I need to switch it up, because I've had the same workout routine I think about a month now. So, maybe it's just time for a switch up, which is totally cool. Like I mentioned in another video, I'm not sure which one. I think it was my workout planning video, that if something's not working for you anymore, girl, change it. Change it, rearrange it. Do whatever you gotta do. So for my look today, I'm going to be using the Dark Magic palette from the Vault collection by Jaclyn Hill, because I haven't used this palette much, and that kind of bothers me. So I'm just going to go in with Shush, which is this brown, and put that in the crease. Now I'm going to go in with Busted, which is this blue, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eye. That's pretty. I'm going to go in with Power Cut, which is this silvery shade here, and that's going to go on the inner, well, not the inner, but the inside part of my eye. Now I'm going to take Busted again, and I'm going to smoke that down on my lower lash line. This is a lot more dramatic than I originally intended, but it is what it is. Now we're gonna put on some mascara. So the only thing left to do for this look is lips. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in Smoky Rose. I'm just going to dot it. Like, we're not going to go ham. I just want to give my lips some color. So, I'm just going to dab it. And this is the completed look, you guys. I really like it. I love this blue. I love the Dark Magic palette, even though I don't use it very often. The colors are very dark, and usually I try to stick with either light colors or neutrals, but I do really, really like this, honestly. So I might use it more often. Who knows? But if you like this video, if you like it ready with me, so you want me to do more, then give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for 80 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for doing everything that you do for me. Thank you. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you missed the video that I did on how to clean your makeup brushes, you can go ahead and check that out here. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, all you gotta do is click my face or click the red button down below the video. Bye!